So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Gram cryptocurrency or GRAM here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, on the bottom bar, select the middle option or the magnifying glass. Once you're here, you can just go to the top to where it says search by name or symbol. And as I mentioned before, type in GRAM or Gram and then select it. Once you're on this page, just go down to where it says buy, the green button, and select it. Then you can type in how much gram you want to buy. So in my case, I will do $10 as an example, and then I will press review. Once you're here, you can then check out how much of the crypto you're going to be buying, the fees, and the cost. And if this looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom to swipe up to submit. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Gram or GRAM cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.